Hi, it's Luke from 1WD TV, where you can learn to make money with Divi. In this lesson, you will learn how to create an on-hover animated overlay effect similar to this example. To get started, let's add a standard section with 2 columns. In the Advanced Design settings for the row, we will add a background image to the first column. Save and exit. Update the page. We can hardly see our background image. This is because there are no modules inside of the column to give it some height. It's like an empty balloon that needs blowing up. Let's go back to the settings for the row, to the Custom CSS tab, and create a column 1 CSS class of lab_column height. Save and exit. Update the page. Refresh. And open CSS Hero or your child themed style sheet. First, type the name of our custom class. And we're going to give it the property of height 340 pixels. Now we can see our background image because the balloon finally has some air. To create the overlay effect, we need to place a division with a custom class inside of our column, so the markup will look something like this. Here is our column, and inside it we need a division with a custom class. To achieve this, we will add a code module to our column and paste in the div. We do not need to put any content inside, just an empty div will do. Save and exit, update the page, and refresh. First we need to target the custom class and give it a background color in RGBA format. The 0.8 at the end is the alpha channel, meaning it has a slight transparency. Next we want to position this absolutely and blow up the balloon again so it fills 100% of the column. Since we don't want to see the overlay until we hover over the column, we will set the opacity to 0. Finally, we will use the transition property to get that nice fade effect. Now we need to configure the overlay so it triggers when you hover your mouse over the column. To do this, we will start with the custom class we created for the column with the pseudo class of hover. Then our overlay class. All we need to do here is set the opacity to 1. And there we have it, an animated overlay effect on a column background image. In a future video, I will show you how to add modules to the column so that they only appear when you hover over the column. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more, come and check us out over at 1WD.tv.